Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to review transaction history in Bluevine. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time, so let's just jump straight into it. First, log into your Bluevine dashboard. You can do that on the app or the Bluevine website. From the main menu, select transactions. This will display a chronological list of all of your account activity. Use the built-in filter to refine your search. You can sort by date range, transaction type, whether it's deposit, withdrawals, transfers, or card purchases, or you can do that by specific amounts. Next, tap or click any transactions to open full details, including payee, category, and confirmation number. If you need to search for a specific payment, use the search bar and type in the merchant's name or account. To monitor cash flow more closely, export your history to Excel or a CSV file for much detailed tracking. And that's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.